So we're here on this fine sunny day, about to work with the new BrewBuilt X2 jacketed conical. We're going to assemble it and then we're going to hook it up to Glycol.
Woo! So if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe our channel. Also comment below, let us know how you're cooling your wort or what you liked about this video.
So we are filling the jacketed X2 conical. Basically we have the BrewZilla up here. We're running off of the ball valve. Right now we're running gravity into the sample port and we're just running that gravity under pressure. So we just vent the top. Once that stops or we start hitting an equilibrium, we might turn on the pump just to get the last little bit in. But it's easy as that, totally sanitary because nothing is open on this thing.
You know anything to add?
Oh man, I don't got anything to add.
Okay, we got our X2 jacketed conical full with our beautiful lager. We're about to hook it up to our Icemaster Max 2 and get it all set up for cooling. So the first thing we got to do is set it so that the pump isn't on. So the first thing I did was raise the temperature down here. Now it's in Celsius. The new versions are in Fahrenheit. You're welcome. But for us, we have to know Celsius. So we set it up for like 15 C and right now we're holding about 12 C ambient. So the first thing we're going to do is we've made a continuous loop. Now if you're buying one of the new setups, you're going to have these beautiful sealing colder quick disconnects that when you unconnect, they don't let any liquid drip out. We're just using tri-clamps with this. It works. Okay, so we're gonna hook it up. We have the inline, and we're gonna have that go all the way up to the top. And we'll just put it up here. Like I said, if you're buying the new version, you will have those awesome quick disconnects to make your life even a little bit easier. All right, so now we've got it connected up. Last thing we have to do is take care of our probe. Vito, I'm gonna come over. And one of the things I like to do is not only put it into the temp sensor, but then I like to use a little painter's tape or whatever you might have around, just to help it from accidentally sliding out later. It helps. Electrical tape will work pretty well here too, but it just kind of helps grab that line in case gravity is trying to pull it out at a later time. And now we'll set it at the proper set temp. Okay, so on this unit, we're gonna hold the button up until it blinks. And then I'm gonna set it right now for 10 Celsius, even though with this one, we'll probably set it up a little bit higher. But I just want it to do some nice cold crashing right now. And then once you get it, you just let it sit. It'll stop blinking and lock in. So it works this way. We have obviously the fermenter, we're all used to that. Then we have the jacket on here. Then we have the glycol unit itself where there's a big bath, about 4 gallons of water and glycol mixed together with a coil in there. And what's happening is the pump that runs this is controlled by this thermostat, which we have right here in line about that deep into the beer. And so it's going to regulate the temperature, and when it says we need to cool, it's going to start flowing in, and then it's going to come through around the whole conical and then come out the bottom and back to the tank again, and it just recirculates. So the bigger delta T, the longer time it'll take, the differential. But right now we're doing, 17 down to 11. That shouldn't take but maybe a half hour or so. So that's it. It's pretty much that easy to set up and dial in your temperatures, and you pretty much set it and forget it. We're gonna wheel this into my garage after we finish pitching the yeast.
Yeah, so we've got a yeast starter that we made the day before yesterday, so it's ready to go. We're gonna pop that in and oxygenate from the bottom up and kind of mix all that yeast into solution and get it going.
We got an awesome video on that. Please watch that if you wanna learn how to make yeast starters.